Okay, out at the bus today. Um, it's very loud because they're moving stuff out of here, and there's big rigs everywhere, and they're all running. And this guy isn't going to make it. Anyway, I'm going to get this stuff out of here and get this board replaced today at bare minimum. And by get this stuff out of here, I mean all this excess right here. Cut this, trim this off. Okay, it's about to get really loud, so I'll be back. Something else today. 125 watts, 9.8 amps. I am putting it to the test today. I brought out here. I brought out this on the inverter. And I'm running all kinds of stuff just to get it to go down, because I don't have any one thing that is enough to overpower the single solar panel yet. When I bring see, it's going up. It was at 12.8. That's at 12.9. Sorry for the shaking. I had to stretch over there because I have stuff all on the floor down there. Got this and the data log here. It now shows max output power and wattage for that day, and the battery max and minimum temperatures. Can't wait to see what today's is. Even though that says today, it's not. It's yesterday. It'll reset later in the day. Right now it's 12:20. I don't know when it resets, but yeah. So we'll find out. There is a problem that I don't know if I can fix. The floor, the wood part here, I know I can fix, but this, the runner that goes across beam, is rusted out and is caving in. So this is a very, very bad problem. That means that when I do put the new board down, it's just going to be sitting there, because even if I get some metal screws, they're not going to hold. That just caves right in like this. So I don't know what I'm going to do there. I'll have to figure it out. I was hoping to get this done today, but I don't know what to do, so I'm going to stop just so I don't cause any more damage than is what is already here. And I'm going to get a friend out here to look at it and tell me what to do. Yeah. So that's not going to happen today, but it is going to have a hole in it. That's not good. I was hoping to get that done so I could start on the floor. I'll figure something out. 30 minutes later, voltage is still all the way up, and yeah, everything's still plugged in. The computer, the router, the dehumidifier, the fan on high, and charging the little vacuum cleaner, which the battery is dead, so it is fully charging, and it's still full. It's dropped 0.01 volts, and that's only because I plugged the vacuum cleaner back up. It was back up to 12.89 going up. So yeah, with the stuff I have out here right now, I do not have enough to overpower The solar panel, it's only halfway, 124 watts. It's a 250 watt panel, and it's only using half of it because I don't have enough draw. Maybe I should bring out the refrigerator. But then again, it's supposed to rain and be cloudy for 3 days, so maybe that's not a good idea. Oh, dropped it, 12.84. Cool. Okay, something is probably wrong with the way I have my batteries hooked up in series parallel, because I have 570 amp hours of battery bank. I have 12 amps running, and it only took 20 minutes to get them down to 12.45 volts, which is 75%. I turned off the solar array, or just the solar panel. I don't have an array yet, and it only took it 20 minutes to drop it down to 75%. Huh. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, I have decided to go ahead and black these windows out and just insulate the entire door. I want it to still open, so I can only insulate part of it. And then the windows, since I don't use those as rear views anyway, I also blacked the top out here, because if you look down this way, I don't know if you can still see it or not, that window is warped. So I'm blacking out the top and leaving the bottom, and I'll just use Reflectix with a piece of board over it to hold it flush up against that. I have to get more black paint, because as you can tell right there, at the end of the paint can, it was more watery than it was paint, and it ran. So I gotta get more black. Yeah. I'm also going to paint the back of the Reflectix that's going up against the windows that are not blacked out. And yeah, unfortunately, that's about all I got done today. I trimmed off that giant piece of spray foam. Took my chisel, chiseled this down below the metal here, because it was higher than any other board and would have stopped the floor I wanted to put in from going. These are pretty much level in some places. Some places they're not. Put this board over that hole with cardboard under it. Try to keep it a little bit plugged. I'm going to close up the bus and head to the house. The sun is going down. Well, not going down. It's only 2 o'clock, but it's going behind the trees. And as you can tell, the voltage has come back up. But yeah, unfortunately, until I figure out what I'm going to do back here, the only thing left I can do is painting and insulating a little bit. But I figured something out. I gotta get my friend out here to tell me what to do with that. We'll get it done. It just won't be today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click the thumbs up below it. If you want to stay updated with everything that's happening and all the travels that are soon to come, click the big red and white blinking subscribe button with all the arrows.